What's up, fellas? Happy New Year to everyone. It's my first stream this year, and yeah, last time we streamed, I can't remember what happened, but it's so great to be back here again. Especially this time of the year, it's just a lot going on in the markets, a lot for us to cover, but most importantly, I want to start by thanking God for giving us the grace to be here, to be alive, to witness this very moment in time, this fucking history. To pray that God to keep blessing us as He always does, and pray that we have the utmost responsibility and the utmost opportunity to keep getting the grace from God and appreciating Him for the little. So we have to be grateful for what we have. So yeah, we got 9:30 here, and the market is open, and you can see some movements already happening. I'm anticipating more buys in this session. I'm already in some positions, and already closed some earlier in the morning. But now we have a couple of positions that are still running, and hopefully the 9:30 volume doesn't spike and take us out. But yeah, I would still be looking for entries here because I haven't taken on my main accounts. But yeah, welcome to the stream yet again. No more ramblings, and let's dive right into it. So starting first, it's a lot going on out there. We have a lot going on. We got gold on all-time highs. We got silver on all-time highs. We got Bitcoin below 87. We got what else? We got riots in Minnesota. We got Greenland deals with Trump. We got Canada deal with China. It's a lot going on, but that is translating in the markets. Gold is an all-time high right now, 5,080. Silver is above 100. And that signals uncertainty in the markets. That signals that there's something huge going on. That signals a weak dollar. We also saw yen also gaining some strength due to the USD having a lot of weakness. So there's been a lot of back and forth with Donald Trump and his tariffs, and it's wearing on investors, wearing on other countries, and many of them are pulling their assets from the USD and trying to move it to safe havens, which is gold and silver. So that's why you have this going on, and that's why dollar is seemingly weak at this point in time. So everything is edging on the fact that we have a couple of announcements this week, and we got midterms coming up. So everything is hedging on how Trump actually reacts to all this mayhem that's going on. Thankfully, the stock markets did not crash like the last time he announced the tariff. There's a new tariff he's announcing with Canada now. So thank God we didn't have like a huge sell-off. We just had a gap down, and that gap has been closed now, and the price seems to be on a bullish rally. So that's pretty much, there's still a whole lot going on. We had Davos, the World Economic Forum last week. It was so much filled with drama. So there's just a lot going on, and that's why we have like an intense January that seems like we're already in the middle of the year. So yeah, our job as traders is to try to capitalize on these opportunities as they present themselves, and position ourselves strategically, basically. So that's why we're capitalists, and we'll try to capitalize on the opportunities that present themselves, regardless of whatever bad things are happening out there. I hope you all are keeping safe, keeping your mental health strong. There's just a lot to take in, and it can be overwhelming. So sometimes try to take a break from social media. There's a lot that can weigh you down, really. So it's just going on. It's just a lot going on. So yeah, let's dive right into it. Nasdaq is already pushing. I'm anticipating some more orders today, but that would be after 9:45, because I want the new opening range gap to be there, and before I start looking for opportunities. But I'm already in some trades, like I told you, and I'm probably gonna close out some partials here because we're already close to TP. Let me do that real quick. Let me close out a partial. So yeah, hope you all had a wonderful celebration. I've not said hi to you all since Christmas, and it's the new year. So I'm hoping you guys had a wonderful celebration. I tried my best to do the little I can, but yeah, so I had a wonderful Christmas, and I'm just excited for what's to come, and we'll see what the market gives this year. Okay. So yeah, guys, please always remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It would help the algorithm get out there. I haven't been online for a while, so I probably need to ease back into the mojo and into the algorithms. But it would really help if you could leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a notification so that you know whenever I'm going live. And you can also share with your friends and family. You never know who might be inspired to start trading. So yeah, once more, welcome to the stream, and let's try and chill, have fun, and no pressure, okay? Let's just see what the market gives. Yeah. So I'm just gonna watch this trade, and if it hits TP, we can start looking for a valid opportunity if it presents itself for the session. Okay, so let's see. So I've been on this chart since Asian session. As you can see, this is, let me explain it. So this is, I marked this structure over the weekend. Let's just cut it here. So this is what the chart was looking like over the weekend, and I was anticipating that on a higher time frame we should come and feel some imbalances here. On a higher time frame, there are some imbalances to be filled in that area. Let me mark it out. So yeah, it's on a 1 hour. Okay, yeah. So this was Friday price action. So this was the zone I marked out. I expect this is a fair value gap I'd expected price to come into before pushing up, but as well I saw this other block, and it gave me another idea that price could come and take both of this before pushing up. And so waiting for Monday started up with a gap down, and it's gapped just below where I was anticipating my POI, but in a ton of events it's quickly reversed. Okay, so when it reversed and closed above this gap, it gave me the idea that price could continue rallying. And so once this red candle printed on the 1 hour, on my 15 minutes, that was like a retracement into the zone I wanted to buy from. So once this broke down and it didn't hold up when price came back to use it as some form of support to rally down and closed above, it gave me my confirmation. So I took my entry here. I didn't really mind about whether it was like, I just had the anticipation that something was going to happen here. And I, coupled with a tool I've been experimenting with called Bookmap, I also saw that there were a lot of buyers sitting in that area. So that was why I placed my order here. And it came to this zone where I took most of my partials and immediately turned around. Okay, so once it turned around, I just wanted to stay calm because I'm still pretty bullish in this market. Fundamentally, it's still bullish. And so I just waited for price to come do its thing, and on the lower time frame I spotted another opportunity and I re-entered. Okay, so yeah, I re-entered, and this was prior to 9:30 when I re-entered here. I saw support forming here and just took the entry. So now we're just pushing higher and using every form of PDRA as a support to keep pushing. So it's 9:30 now. I don't know if we'll still see another opportunity, but yeah, I'm pretty spent emotionally on this trade. I don't really want to look for more trades, but I will, because I still have some accounts to trade today. So yeah, so that's how I got into this trade, and my target is basically Friday's high. It's been struggling to get to that Friday's high, but no pressure. Let's just watch it and see. Then my run liquidity for the week is this equal high, which is just above a cluster of liquidity. So I know price will eventually come here. I don't know when, but I know it's well. So that's my drawn liquidity for this week. But my draw for this trade today is just this Friday's high. That's enough for me. So yeah, let me show this. I kind of like started posting some stuff on my Telegram. So let me try and show you guys how I broke down this trade, and yeah. So yeah, this is it. So this was in 4 a.m. I sent this analysis. I did an analysis on Sunday. Then I sent this, and this was 4 a.m. this morning when I entered that first trade, and pushing nicely, and then it broke even at this spot. This was when I took most of my profits, and I re-entered here. So right now it's looking good. So yeah, it was trade was anticipated right from time. Yeah. So I'm also on a gold long. I entered gold from 5,042, and gold is at 5,081 now. I've taken out most of the positions. I think I'm just holding like 0.01 position on it, and it's been ranging all day after it made that prior push above 5,000. So also on the pipeline. So yeah, let's see what the chat gives us today. Hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you're watching from. Yeah, it's crazy out there. It's just so crazy. Yeah, it's not normal gold being at 5,000 right now and still like rallying strongly. It's not a good sign. It's exciting and if you're a gold holder, you're like highly ecstatic right now, but it doesn't spell good geopolitically. It means that a lot of institutions are pushing most of their cash to gold, which means there's no trust in the monetary system at this point in time. Loss of confidence in dollar as well. So we don't know how far this might go, but it's not really looking good. And it's crazy because even the world leaders don't know what next to do. There's like this notion that there's a new world order, but nobody knows what that world order should be like, what it should constitute. Who are the enemies, who are the friends. It's almost like because of the lack of violence, like the World War II, people can't like separate who is who. So we have this like orchestrated or manipulated segregation between people that it's not natural. So yeah, everyone is confused about where the world is going to next. So it's a tough place to be in the world right now. The world leaders don't know what to do. Yeah, like they don't know what to do with Trump. They don't know what to do with immigration. They don't know how to handle it, honestly. So It's why we have so much uncertainty in the market. And I also have to add that this is so good for BTC. BTC is at 8,000 now, but any momentum shift on gold, like a huge sell-off on gold, of gold assets, you're gonna see a lot of liquidity going into the Bitcoin markets. So if you're holding Bitcoin, just hold it. Like, if any assets you're currently holding in this cycle, just hold it. Okay, don't worry about, don't panic sell at this point. Just hold. Yeah, because in the long run, it would all work out. So we're just about to hit TP on this trade. Yeah, and yeah, second. Yeah, I had to take a quick call. Yep. Almost tapped. Let me see if it took me out or not. Okay, still in the trade. Okay, so let's see. I should hit TP anytime now. one thing I've realized in this market cycle is that you need to be in tune with what's happening. I mean, the like last year or last 2 years, it used to be so simple because all you need to worry about is the economic calendar and the dockets, things that are about to happen. But these days, in this new cycle with Donald Trump, you have to watch out for his tweets, and he can tweet any goddamn time, and he can give a speech anytime. Like nobody knows what the thought process is. So, but if you're someone who is like very informed about Donald Trump, then you would know what his playbooks are. Much like today, there's a tariff playbook where he kind of issues a warning ahead of time, and it signals the market into a sell-off. And right after that sell-off, he comes and gives like a softer landing, like, oh, I'm not gonna do this, it's not gonna be. So let me give you an example. Like last week, Trump was of the opinion that he was gonna, take over Greenland with military action. It's made a lot of world leaders start sending their troops in, like the UK, sending their troops to Greenland, just to tell Donald Trump, hey, hands off, And then everyone was expecting him to like double down on that rhetoric at Davos, at the World Economic Forum at Davos during his speech. And he came there, and so before that, the market had tanked like, I forgot how many points, but it had tanked significantly. And he came to the speech and he said he wasn't gonna use military action against Greenland, and immediately the markets reversed. So those are the kind of playbooks that you see with Trump. Like he threatens, then he steps back when the market reacts, and it kind of like balances everything. So you could tell that he has good knowledge of how the market moves, and he strategically makes these announcements, and some of these announcements have happened to come during the weekends. So you could actually see that he's trying not to cause much disruption in the stock markets, and wait for the markets to wake up and react to it on Monday. Probably by then the momentum has probably died down and all. So yeah, if you're conversant with that playbook, then you'd know, like today, taking this trade was pretty simple because the fundamentals were just stuck there. Like there was no two ways about it. The market was going to recover from a gap down. It's closed the gap. Yeah, so yeah, that's TP. We hit TP, and that trade is done now. Let me check. Yeah, so that's about it. It's as simple as that. Yeah, I've had a solid Monday, guys, and yeah, looking good. So now that this trade is done, I'll just chill a bit and wait for the 10 a.m. candle to form. That's the next 4-hour candle. So what I'm going to do, now that I know that we're bullish, I'm just waiting for the next 4-hour candle to print a bottom wick. Okay, so I wouldn't really let it get to 50%, but I would let it print a significant bottom wick. Then I'll enter on that bottom wick on the lower time frame with an entry model, and yeah, target this drawn liquidity. Or okay, still got some liquidity here. So this is one. This is one. This is one. This is two. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the next 4-hour candle to print in 5 minutes, and we can take the next trade. Let's see how it forms. Second, guys, let me go check on something. I'll be right back. Man, I gotta say, what journey it has been. Sometimes I look at these charts and I'm like, really, do I actually get it like this, or is this an illusion? Am I in a dream? Yeah, but I worked for it. Okay, so might as well just reap the benefits that comes with it. It was such a steep climb, man. Such a steep climb. Woo! Okay, we got Nasdaq pushing higher. Man, what a day. What a day, man. What a day. Sorry. So, that went well. So one of my biggest struggle lately has been sizing up on some of these orders. Like, you know your buyers, you know everything, just like complete. So why not sizing up? It's incredibly difficult, but I'm working on it. Let me post some trades on. got the new 4-hour candle forming now. So let's see. Let's see what that bottom wick is gonna give us. If we don't get that deep retracement, then we would have to wait for another 4 hours. So because I've taken this trade now, I understand that this is like a level of exhaustion. We could see a continuous rally of this. We might not see that deep retracement we're looking for. However, we have some imbalances on 15 minutes, so we'll see if price comes to react into this. So this would be our POI for our next trade. Yeah, same on the 1 hour, so let's see how price comes into this, whether price comes into this zone. But no rush, we'll continue rallying. Okay, let's see if we can get that reaction. All right. So we got some on the book map. We got some orders sitting just below. So let's see if we could get some absorption there of sellers before pushing up. Yeah, we still got orders sitting below, so no panic. We still got orders, yeah. All right, so it's picked up some orders already from that low. It barely tapped into our POI, and yeah, if it goes away now, I know there's still some sell orders sitting above here, but let's see. I think it might just absorb the sellers here and just keep pushing up. But yeah, it left some orders below, and I don't know if it's still gonna come down for it. We also need to be wary in the markets because the dollar is weak right now and the yen is strong. So let's hope that the volume doesn't kick in and take us right out. But fundamentally, I don't see why Nasdaq should be selling off. We got some news today. It's Nvidia. Nvidia acquired a company about 200 million dollars. It's just a lot of news in the markets for the tech stocks, and they're very good news. So all right, let's wait. Seems like we're gonna continue pushing up. If that is the case, then I might end this stream early because I really don't want to sit around here that much. I'm done with my trading for the day. But wherever you're watching from, I will be back tomorrow and the rest of the week, and I'll try to be as frequent as possible. You can follow me on Instagram, EdgeTradeICT, same on Twitter, and you can get better updates. Yeah, on the book map I can see that price has absorbed the sellers, and yeah, the next level of resistance is this zone I marked here. Coincidentally, there are sell orders sitting right here waiting. So yeah, it's Monday anyway, so we use Monday to determine the direction for the week. So if Monday is giving us a bullish confirmation, then tomorrow we anticipate more buys. So I'll still be here tomorrow. I'll stream tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully we get a position right in the stream and not before like today. So yeah, thank you all wherever you're watching from. Any more trades I'll take today, I'll post on the Telegram for free. Everything I do is for free. I don't charge any fee, so you can jump in Telegram and you see my analysis for the day. And if I'm dropping a new trade, if I'm going to take a new trade, I will inform you all on the Telegram. So do well to join the Telegram link. I will drop it right under the link in my bio, so you can join it. So yeah, on that note, first stream of the year. Thank you all, and I hope that we do a lot of things this year, a lot of exciting stuff this year. I'm pretty confident, and yeah, in my earphone, I'm literally hearing the buy orders like ticking because this bookmap has this effect where when there are orders, it's like gives a ticking sound. Okay, let me try and share what the bookmap looks like for you guys. So let me come here. I'll just put it side by side with the charts here so that you get an understanding of what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. I'm currently using a free version on YouTube. Yeah, because it costs a lot of money. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay, so right here I'm looking at buys. You see how the chart is moving here? You're pretty much blind watching this, but on this chart, you see these yellow lines, these yellow clusters. These are buy orders. So when price came all the way down here, it's picked up orders here and continued rallying. You can see right here that there are orders sitting right under it, and you see how it's pushing up right because of the order. And if you look to the right, you can actually see how the price is reacting. So it's such a beautiful tool. If you're a trader, I highly recommend that you check it out. Bookmap. Okay, it gives you confidence when you're holding a trade. Okay, so when I said that there were sellers on this red line, this is what I was talking about. You can see this yellow line right here. This yellow line here, these are sell orders, and you can see there are 109 orders, which is pretty steep. Okay, so once price comes in here, it's either two things are going to happen. Either the buyers absorb the sellers in that zone and it pushes aggressively, or the sellers overwhelm the buyers, and from that zone, that's now like a strong resistance, and price will just fall from there. So yeah, more orders are forming just on top of there. So if you're someone who's been holding a position and you're not confident, these are the kind of places where you take profits or you take partials, because there's a high tendency that price is going to react off that zone and just rip down. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I used to confirm my entries and hold my trades and manage my positions and all that. And yeah, I'm just testing the services, and if it gives me substantial amount of money, then I would look at how I can subscribe to it fully. But yeah, for now I'm just using this free version. It's highly effective. So yeah, enough rambling. I was already saying bye. So guys, have a great one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll take a solid trade, or join the Telegram if you want to get updated of new trades. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye.